Hey there, I'm back with a new video. Today's video I'll be showing you how you can hide WhatsApp online status while chatting without any app or any other third-party application. In order to hide your online status on WhatsApp, what you'll need to do is you'll need to open up or log in into your WhatsApp account first of all. Now if you open up a chat page of a particular contact, and you'll be able to see online status right on top, or they'll be able to see your online status. If you want to hide it, so you'll need to go ahead and tap on the three dot icon. Go to settings from the drop down menu, scroll down a bit, click on privacy and security. Here you need to click on last seen and nobody. You can see that right on top there is an option as who can see my last seen. If you don't want anybody to see your last seen, then click on nobody, and along with that, if you also don't want anybody to see your online status, click on same as last seen. As soon as you've done that, nobody will be able to see your online status. So that is basically how you can hide online status while chatting. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.